April 20th, 2016. Yes, we do live in interesting times. The news didn't change all that much today. The bottom fell out of the bond markets for at least today. Made new moves for this move. I think many people pretty well figured to go into new contract highs and higher, sell treasuries. Crude oil, in spite of all the bad news, closed at $44 today. I mean, just really, we do live in interesting times. And so take a look at the E-mini. We came in today. We had a sell. Initially, a failure to take out and hold 21. Then we had a 5 to 8 sell. The buy was 90 to 92. And really just good trading. It was a slow grind down to 90, 92. Eventually we got there, but we trade 2 to 4 bars before the day session opens without news. It's produced a good trade. Missed getting in. On the mean green trade, we took a V-bottom trade here. Nice retest failure trade. Mean green trade right here. I believe we caught that one. Another retest failure. Nancy's tweezers. We didn't catch that one. Another S. All winners. V bottom. Nice winner. B. Nice winner. B. At least a scratch. 2100. That was in a sell area. That's legitimate. No worse than a scratch. Retest failure. Buy. And then just a slow grind up. So really a very good day to trade when it was all said and done and in retrospect. And every now and then we get. Yesterday was the same way. Really worked out well. So we're going to get a strong closer. We should. The way that it looks, close above 2100. I don't know what it's going to take to make new contract highs, 2135, but I think we're headed that way, and we'll see it here. You can see the move right now. We got a higher low, higher high. F1 screen, the daily time frame says higher. Looking at the F2 screen, new distribution up in E period, and then a new distribution up in I period. So everything is moving up, and we talked about how the volume really started to fall off above 2105, 2108 especially. So 2105, 2108 was our second sell band. Now, we do have a little news tomorrow. Jobless claims, 265, Philly Fed, +9, Chicago Fed National Activity Index, it was -0.29. Don't know what it will be. FHFA Housing Price Index up 0.4. That's probably accurate. LEI up 0.5%. And natural gas inventories, don't know what it'd be, but it probably won't build. Probably will build a little, but not by a lot. They don't really pump in the storage this time of year. So sell 1 is going to be 5 to 8, where it was right now. And then sell 2 will be 10 to 15. On the buy side, the breakout came from 98, so 98 to 2100 will be buy 1 if the market were to close right here. And then 93 to 95, picking up this area right here, would be buy 2. And we'll see if that plays out. Usually when treasuries get slammed this hard, the next day is a pause day. I didn't see any particular piece of news that said that anything was materially different with treasuries, but the bottom did fall out of the market today, and they got slammed, and that usually leads to a pause day or a little bit of retracement the next day. So had an outside day with a very weak close. If we don't break it early in tomorrow's session, a little short covering should be expected. And I mean, what a day down. So a close right here at 26. For London, 27 to 31 is sell 1. Sell 2 will be 3 to 7. A little bit lower, but maybe not break. 17 to 21. We're at the bottom end of the trading range by 1. And we'll put a question mark at 24. And then 13, 9 to 13 for buy 2. Now the market has been pointing lower. When you look at the structure, every time we come in, we're adding to a B. So the bias to this market was to the downside. Looking at the 30-year, huge day down. I mean, they really smacked this one, and you can just see lots of unanswered prints, unanswered selling. So close right here at 14. 16 to 20 would be 1. This spill was from 28. So 23, 27, sell 1. 3 to 7, sell 2. On the buy side, 1 to 5. Let's make 4 to 8, number 1. 29 to 01, buy 1. 17 to 21, buy 2. Gold came off a little bit but didn't break. I mean, this action in the stock market wouldn't be, I think, really confidence building, but we do have a higher low and a higher high. It means if we don't break it in London early in tomorrow's session, we can get long. I still think it's going to be bought. The selling, we failed to go up. We've got to move out of the middle, possibly right here. NL period, a new distribution down. So we're at 45 right now. We have these single prints down at 40, 42. So 40, 42 by 1. And then 35, 37 by 2. And this high volume number, this attractor down at 35, probably offers the safest opportunity to fade a selling market. On the sell side, we're at 45, so 48 to 50, sell 1. 54, 56, sell 2. Crude. Matt Nancy's 45 is within reach. And I mean, if this bad news didn't break the market, I mean, that's very plausible, very, very believable. Higher low, higher high. F1 screen says find a place to buy it. We can stay above this 43.50 area. The next high volume number's up there at 46. So. And this is expiration. We're now in the June contract, so 44, 44 and a quarter, sell 1. 50 to 75, sell 2. On the buy side, this breakout from 25, so 25 to 50 by 1. And then 43 even, 42, 75 by 2. Because of expiration, the games that are played, I would like the short side. I'd like to see it fail in London and fail early in tomorrow's session. I think we have a pretty good shot at retracement. Okay, the euro, this morning we had really caught that market well. We liked the sell side, 114 even, faded early strength, didn't, I think he had like 2 or 3 ticks of heat on that trade. And you can see right here, well, that's a higher low and a higher high. It could still trade higher. I don't know what would take it higher, but something might. So I think we're going to have split between the F2 and F1 time frames. It'll be split, and you can see definitely it is. Oh, I think we're headed below 113 even, so first buy will be 113 even. Should get a little bounce out of that area, then 75 will be buy 2. On the sell side, 25 to 35, sell 1. Then 45 to 55, sell 2. That does it for April the 20th, 2016. I will see you all bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening. We'll get after and we'll shake that money tree again tomorrow morning.